Yo, what's up, man? Welcome to Timeline Radio Sports, and we're back again with another game analytic. And I'm Vangi one Ninja Yami, the big dog. Stimza,
Uy.
are you good?
Mnandi.
Ne?
Sure.
Chilile fanda, kushawa moya nyana.
Kuyabanda mfethu. Kuyabanda but ke sizothini yazi whether le surprise.
Yeah, we just watched a match between Kaizer Chiefs and the Sundowns. And it is as being issue of they were bringing wow moments up higher. It was just an average match, and compared to abantu expected good Chiefs bazoluzanga score esigrot. Judging on how they were playing and also judging on how Sundowns they were playing on their previous games.
But then singathini going back to previous clip, I've been saying ukuthi this game angeke ibe namagoli amaningi, angeke kube man kahle kuzoba it's a surprise pack because I was expecting at least not more than 3 goals today. Okay, Chiefs lose but noma 2-0, 2-1 or 1-0 as it happens. But I will say yazi ngasebenzisa amagama ngithi give credit to coach Nabi, but anyway one thing enzakele today ukwazile ukuthi I content Sundowns ayibambe angayidlalisi because I think I think only 3 moments awe Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi it's a goal ile yaka Matthews and then nale unto yaka Mkwena. Yes, besides that there was nothing special about Sundowns today. Bese kuba ke enye into esingakhuluma ngayo ukuthi it is shinga coach when it comes from a substitute. Mina I feel ukuthi sasephua kakhulu. Yes, Solomon was great, but then I would have opted for Umatlo rather than Uplom.
Okay.
Yeah, then ngikhiphe ucaptain wethu uMad. Even though maybe bekacabangile lo card la kacele, but I think ukuthi ucele bekangeka athole red card kule game lena bengena anything mane pushayo ukuthi angaze acommit ama-foul yabo. Then kube who's this guy? Hey, mafethu mina I have a problem with Umodi. I have a problem with Umodi. So this time bengingaxolela uLilepe then ngikhiphe uModi ngifake umfundo Vilakazi with uMduduzi Shabalala. Like the young boys at least bazomotivateana bakwazi ukuzama ukwenza something creative kuya phambili yabo. Anyway, I don't know, maybe ungangitshela, I don't know what was the reason yaga Morris, maybe ulimele or something like that, because by then
I think we missed the technical glitches kancane, so we couldn't see what happened to Morris, but I think it was an injury keeper just like that. Yeah. But also what I've picked up with the Kaizer Chiefs, I mean they can't complete some passes well, but like I didn't see you. There was no point where we couldn't shama pass 5 or 6. You understand? So like more to leap all by the way all the time, and I think that's experience by punish. Also not today, being expected to win at least. Sometimes if you didn't win, but it's good level of football, it was amazing. That's good. But confidence, which Chiefs would see. Clear about okay, yeah, but today they lost, but also man, they're not really. Yes, Sundowns they were off Nyana Vandaag, you understand? But also Nabi Chiefs they didn't capitalize on that.
Yeah, okay, we're not going to expect anyway Chiefs to capitalize with Sundowns off or something like that. I think if we need Chiefs today, which I consider too many goals, that's what people are happy about. But besides that, in the Bayama passes, our vision, man, our vision. One thing is with Nocele, we understand which was as Enkele Lapana. But then mass attack, we're expecting we pusher like Lama player like Mduduzi ukuthi baye phambili azokwazi ukuthi naye asondele a-add number lapha, so akayenzi lonto le. That's why ngithi mina today if bebamkhiphile bafaka uMatlo at least yakhona ukuthi azame ukuphusha ukuthi aye phambili nyana than ukuthi ahlale lapha emuva yabo.
I was looking at the position bayadlala today. It was a 4-2-3 with that position, and there was a point where Duprez on the left hand side makabamba ibhola afuna ukuskala, there was no one. You understand? So do you think that position on its own was just a problem?
Okay, no, the position, the information is not a problem. I think it's suitable for Umoris because Umoris is out and out. So was uklale boxini. So the other thing is with Ulilepe Nomatlo, those are the players that are supposed to assist a striker set. So ngamanyama zisina 3 boxini and then say expect you to do those of ngama late run, because remember each is supposed to play ngama wing back. then kube ama-cutback amabhola angena eboxini so abomduduzi bazovela ngama-late run to complete like bafinishe lawo ma-cutback but now with uDuprez akusi out and out uthanda i-winger at such azovela sekakhatha i-box so mangaba aphethe ibhola uyokumele ngabe ulaphayana as an out and out today and then maka-cross akunamuntu ozovela yabo so I think that was the other problem today because i-personnel abayisebenzisile for information it was not suitable.
And looking at the gap, I think they are sitting on 54 points right now. Imamelodi Sundowns and Pirates, which is their number 2, Bana 5. I'm a game 5 in hand, and which is that in total of 15 points. And we've been saying good if Sundowns because they are left I think with 13 games, ne?
Yeah, 12
to 13 games, right? And
there,
that means if Banga win a 1 kilama game, like it's out, or if they can win 7 or 8 of those games, we can say like it's gone.
No, the league is gone already. The other thing is with the Pirates, Bona, are they gonna win like 5 games in hand? Because obviously the 15 points is not like which is in the back. They still have to fight for it. Yeah, well. So, but you know, ilike hambile. That's why I said quick game Pagani and Sundowns. Which I wish which is Pirates ngabe win the game there at least so that which ilike be interesting even going forward. But so far, ilike hambile.
So you'd say if Sundowns Pirates banga lose a game or 2, it's gone.
It's already gone, man. I'm stamping it. It's gone. Like, it's gone.
And looking at next week, Chiefs yadlala Magesi.
Okay.
Do you think because the Chiefs man now says with Moya Lapoya so when's because I was looking at the fixtures with my game if we Chiefs like definitely I know what base will win. But right now
3 points.
Go from Magesi.
I choose the 3 points from Magesi. I'm telling you.
Ngiyasizokukhumbuza next week.
Ngakho konke ngifaka negiya phakathi.
Then today kuzodlala iOrlando Pirates neMarumo Gallants and Marumo Gallants neMagesi vele abadlale kamnandi.
Yeah, yona I think it's a win for the Pirates but ke ingaba nama surprising pack like abo Mhango because you know ama former players wakho ukuthi anale nto le ukuthi abuya zocounter so but ke so far I don't see anything special ngeMarumo Gallants besides nje ukuthi ya kungaba nalabo few players abangangena abenza magic but I see it as a win for iPagania today.
No man, Stumza, thank you so much for your dope analysis. I'll just wait for my game Azayo. And also if you're watching, make sure to subscribe, you comment and you share and click that like button. And this is Tamnan Radio Sports. Till next time. Thank you.
Sure.